Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Vanisha Singh. Today I am teaching you nutraceuticals and functional foods scope. So let's start with the topic. Nutraceuticals are often referred to as the phytochemicals and functional foods, and they are considered natural and bioactive compounds that have the health promoting disease preventing or medicinal properties. The term nutraceuticals was originally defined by Dr. Stephen L. DeFries, founder and chairperson, Foundation of Innovation Medicine, Crawford, New Jersey. The term nutraceuticals was used to describe foods or food components which have the potential to cure specific conditions. The nutraceutical industry is a dynamic, evolving industry that offers exciting opportunities to emerge scientific discovery with the growing consumer interest in health enhancing foods. Nutraceuticals will continue to have great appeal because they are convenient for today's lifestyle. The greatest challenge still remains in the public policy and regulatory area, which will encourage the research and development of the products that provide health benefits and permit the truthful, non-misleading communications of these products while protecting public health and maintaining public confidence. Innumerable substances are known to have functional effects, that is, the soluble and insoluble fiber, phytosterols, phytoestrogens, monosaturated or polyunsaturated fatty acids, phenol derivatives, vitamins, and other phytochemical compounds. In developed countries, nutraceuticals have become a part of the day-to-day life, and it is used in disease conditions such as joint pain, insomnia, rheumatoid arthritis, and degenerative eye condition, enlarged prostate, perimenopause, menopause, and weight management, cardiovascular health, immunomodulator, and memory loss. Nutraceuticals are available in the form of isolated nutrients, dietary supplements, and specific diets through genetically engineered foods, herbal food products, and processed foods such as cereals, soups, and beverages. Nutraceuticals provide all the essential substances that should be present in healthy diet for the human. Nutraceutical provides energy and nutrient supplements to the body, which are required for maintaining optimal health. Nutraceuticals are widely used in the food and pharmaceutical industries. Some nutraceuticals are useful in maintaining healthy prostate function, remedy for restlessness and insomnia. Nutraceuticals such as glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate offer possible chondroprotective effects against joint injury, and dietary factors plays an important role in premature chronic disease appearance, disease progression, morbidity, and mortality. Approximately 40 to 50% proportion in cardiovascular disorders, 35 to 50% proportion in cancers, and 20% proportion in osteoporosis in attributable to dietary factors. Use of food as medicine for treatment and prevention of various disorders is not a recent development, and fortification of table salt with iodine and wheat flour with iron or folic acid has been used with specific aim for prevention of iodine deficiency, goiter, and anemia for long. Similarly, food fortified with vitamin A has been found to be feasible and cost-effective approach to reduce the vitamin A deficiency. The dietary ingredients may include the vitamins, minerals, herbs, or other botanicals, amino acids, and substances such as enzymes, organ tissues, glandulars, and metabolites. Dietary supplements can also be extracts or concentrates and may be found in many forms such as tablets, capsules, soft gels, gel caps, liquids or powders, which includes mainly probiotics and prebiotics, dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. But nowadays, an enormous growth in interest in other ingredients such as carotenoids, glucosamine, isoflavonoids, and omega-3 fatty acids and probiotic substances for industries as well as public interest increases under the name of nutraceuticals, functional foods, food supplements in the developing as well as developed countries. Functional foods are the foods that may provide health benefits beyond the basic nutrition. Functional foods are not pills and it remains in the form of the food and are a part of the normal food pattern. Nutraceuticals or health supplements are not associated with food because the bioactive components have been isolated and presented to the consumers in medicinal form such as the capsules and the tablets. The term functional food varies across the countries. National authorities, academicians and food industry specialists generally understood functional foods to contain bioactive component or fortified with nutrients to provide health benefits beyond the basic nutrients, similar in appearance to conventional food and intended to be consumed as part of daily life diet. Depending upon one's interest and background, the appropriate organizational scheme for nutraceuticals can vary. For example, cardiologists may be most interested in those nutraceutical substances that are associated with reducing the risk of heart disease. Specifically, the interest may lie in substances purported to positively influence hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, and the neutral and reduced free radical or platelet dependent thrombotic activity. Nutraceutical factors such as N3 fatty acids, phytosterols, quercetin, and grape flavonoids would be of particular interest. Meanwhile, oncologists may be more interested in those substances that target anti-carcinogenic activities. Legal status in India. India is one of the countries where the market of nutraceuticals and dietary supplement is growing enormously. And nutraceuticals and dietary supplements are sold in India under the name of fast moving healthcare goods. India has passed Food Safety and Standards Act in 2006, a modern integrated food law to serve as a single reference point in relation to regulations of food products, including nutraceuticals, dietary supplements, and functional foods. Health Foods and Dietary Supplements Association, in a national non-profit association founded in April 2002, works with the aim and objectives of to represent the health of the health foods, dietary supplements, nutraceuticals, and healthcare industry. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live class. Thank you so much for watching this video.